Welcome to my channel. These products are very high quality on my channel. I've been working on Amazon's best products for a long time. Of course you will like. Check the description box. Please subscribe to my channel. Number 1. Frost King V739H Indoor Shrink. This product adds a great value. Product is highly durable and very easy to use. This product is manufactured in China. This product adds a great value. Product is highly durable and very easy to use. This product is manufactured in China. Number 2. Frost King V76H Shrink Window Kit. This product adds a great value. Product is highly durable and very easy to use. This product is manufactured in China. Number 3. Frost King CF55 Foil Backed. Insulates cushions and reduces vibrations on heating and AC ducts. Safe alternative, no gloves, face mask, or goggles needed. Classifier rating. Provides maximum insulating power. Easy installation. Number 4. Insulation Marketplace Smart Shield. Extremely effective, reflect 95% of radiant energy. Perfect radiant barrier. Vapor barrier unaffected by humidity and moisture. Can be used indoor-outdoor. Supreme quality 3mm closed cell polyethylene foam, not a cheap bubbles. Sandwiched between highly reflective engineered foil on both sides. Easy to install, easy to cut and easy to clean. Strong, but lightweight. Sound barrier, excellent soundproofing material. Non-toxic, will not irritate skin, eye or throat. Non-allergic. Number 5. Duck Brand Indoor. Reduce your energy costs by insulating your windows. Crystal clear film heat shrinks to seal out drafts and cold. Contains 62x210 of crystal clear film and a 1/2 inch by 84 feet 1080 roll of double-sided tape. Helps increase energy efficiency. Home smart and earth friendly. Kit insulates 5 3x5 windows.